Hello viewers, welcome to Earthbondhon YouTube channel. I am Mohammad Shohag with you. In this video, now I am showing you how to make star data control with power system wiring diagram. If you are new to my channel, please be subscribed and stay with me. Press the bell icon for more my video. If you already subscribed, thank you so much. So viewers, let's start. 3-pole MCB circuit breaker, contactor and overload relay. Magnetic contactor 1, magnetic contactor 2, 3-phase motor, phase connection input to MCB circuit breaker, second phase connection input to MCB circuit breaker, third phase connection input to MCB circuit breaker, 3-phase connection outgoing from MCB to connect magnetic contactor 1 and contactor overload, 3-phase connection from magnetic contactor 1 to 3-phase motor, 3-phase connection to magnetic contactor 2, L1, L2 and L3 short in magnetic contactor 2, 3-phase connection outgoing from 3-phase motor to overload relay. So viewers, that's my video. If you like my video, please like and share my video to your friend. Share my video to your all social media. Thanks for watching my video and thanks for being with me. Thank you so much.